Good day. I'm Nate Carrick with KenMed Surgical. Whether you're a surgeon moving out from a hospital environment or a multi-site management company, when you're planning a new ambulatory surgery center, choosing the right equipment mix is critical to your success, and the process starts earlier than you might think. Ideally, equipment planning should begin as soon as you have your first draft from your architect. Planning equipment at this stage can help you avoid costly missteps while streamlining your build from start to finish. This covers small things like floor drain placement or bigger issues like ceiling chiller pipes blocking your OR lights. More than just filling a room, a knowledgeable and experienced planner will set your ASC up for long-term success. If you're coming from a hospital environment, you'll probably get sticker shock trying to replicate the setup that you're used to. Adding certified refurbished equipment to your strategy maximizes your budget's impact, delivers current model, patient-ready solutions, and will save 40 to 60% over new, which translates to $1 million or more in savings. You'll be buying peace of mind while also conserving startup funds now and maintenance dollars later. At this stage, while front-end saving is vital, long-term performance is what keeps your ASC profitable. Remember that the most expensive piece of surgical equipment is a broken one, because downtime is your biggest profit killer. Be sure to choose reliable equipment that is easily serviceable. With the right equipment, you'll find readily available parts, quality third-party support, and it'll guarantee uptime well beyond the warranty. KenMed Surgical has guided ASCs on equipment planning from Certificate of Need to Certificate of Occupancy. Our turnkey solutions offer guarantee fixed costs. We rely on our proprietary database of biomed service records that we've built to guide our recommendations to you, providing certified refurbished solutions to cut costs, boost success. It's authority you can rely on. Are you planning an ASC build? Let's connect. I'd love to share more.